This video starts with a simple question. Have you ever thought about having hotkeys that can literally do anything? For example, opening CMD commands or even open files for you. Yes, that's very simple. And in this video, I'm going to show you how.
And it won't take you like 8 minutes or something because the video is probably just 3 minutes long. So first, you need to install the app in the description. I promise it's safe. Now, in the app, you click the add hotkey, and here enter a hotkey name. Now I'll just name it hotkey 2 or 3. Now in hotkey, press the hotkey. For example, Control plus Shift plus A. Now CMD command and enter the command. Now I use start Chrome for example because that's the easiest. Now when you add it, it appears here. Started. Now when I press Control plus Shift plus A, it starts Chrome for you. Simple, right? Yes, you can actually do a lot of things with it. And not only that, you can also bind keys. If you don't know what is bind keys, actually it means replacing a keyboard key with another. Now, I add a new hotkey. Use bind key, name it like hello, and original key will be A, and target key will be B. This means you replace A with B. Now click add. See, now it appears here. Click start and it's starting. Now when you press A, it gives to B. And now I'm actually pressing A key now. I'm not pressing B. But when I press B, it's still B. Pressing A, it's still B. So this means rebind the key into B. Rebind A into B. If you close the window, it means your A is still B. You can only stop it by using this and exit the script.
If you either enjoyed the video or the app, consider subscribing because I got a lot of useful stuff in my channel, and if you want to check it out, check it out. Bye bye. See you next time.